Hello everyone, here is my DIY assignment 5, myself Gaurav, roll number 20HS20022 from IIT Kharagpur. This is the task which we will try to complete in this video. For this task we need a toolkit and a glue gun whose disassembly will be shown in the video. Before disassembly, let's proceed with the pre-disassembly test so that we can ensure that the product or the device is in the working condition. So as you can see that the glue is coming from the nozzle of the glue gun, hence it is in the working conditions. So moving on to the disassembly part. For disassembly, always select the appropriate tool. Here I am using the screwdriver of star shape. So here is the internal view of the glue gun. You can see there is a mechanical system which enables the glue stick to force down to the nozzle so that it can be melted and just come out from the nozzle after heating up. This is the glue stick which has to be replaced once finished, and the head of the glue stick there is the heating mechanism, and the head of that there is a nozzle. After disassembling, let us try to reassemble it so that we can put it in the back original condition. While reassembling, always make sure that the joint should be fixed properly, otherwise there can be some defects seen. While tightening the screws, always remember that the screw should not be tightened to the extreme or should not be loose, so it should be tightened to the medium extent. If you tighten up the screw so to its extreme, then there are chances that the plastic will get defected. After reassembly, let us proceed with the after reassembly working test so that we can ensure that the product is still in the working condition. So you can see that there is glue coming out from the glue gun, hence it is still in the working condition. So here our reassembly and disassembly part has been completed. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you.